Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video. This is Lam here. Today I'm going to guide you how to join in meetings or training using Zoom. After you get this Zoom link, click on it. It will bring you to this Zoom website. On the Zoom website, click Download and Run Zoom. The Zoom software will start downloading. Press to open and you will see this dialog box appear. Just give some time for it to complete the running. After that it will launch the meetings soon. So after some times it will prompt up the Zoom windows, then you can start you can join the meetings immediately. A little bit more, 97, 98, 99, and done. The installation is done, so let's see. Okay, so you put in your name first. In my case, this is my name. Then I click join meeting. After that, it will prop up this video preview. Join with video. Now just wait for the host to start the sessions. Before that, you can also try out your computer audio, testing your audio, see whether it works or not. Let's say for a test speaker and also test mic. Of course, if you want to use your phone to join the meetings or training, you can do that. Click on the Zoom link provided. It will bring you to the Zoom website. Please remember to download the Zoom apps from App Store or Play Store. Then open with the Zoom apps. Then just key in your name, click continue and allow all the access to your camera, for your speaker and also for your mic. Congratulations! Now please wait for the host to start the training or meeting sessions. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.